Hi guys, it's NEESYRAYCHELLE and I'm back at you with another video. So tonight's video is going to be 10 facts about NEESYRAYCHELLE. So I didn't really know what all to put on here, so let's just go with the flow. So my first fact is my birthday is September the 2nd. I'm a Virgo. Boom. Fact number 2, I am 23. Fact number 3, I am a Floridian, the Sunshine State, but it rains all the time. And fact number 4, my favorite colors are pink, purple, and rose gold. And I think rose gold might be on the top of that list right now. Fact number 5, I have a bachelor's degree in music and my specialization was voice. So I studied classical voice in school. So I can sing a little opera. Fact number 6 is I'm a licensed esthetician, which means I'm able to do skincare, waxing, and eyelash extensions, makeup, everything dealing with the face and skin. Fact number 7, my favorite meal of the day is breakfast. I can always go for some pancakes and eggs any time of day. I had breakfast last night for dinner, so that's that. Fact number 8, I am a pescatarian, which means I only eat seafood and my veggies, and yeah, I don't eat any meats per se, because fish is still technically a meat, but it's just like not poultry or pork or beef. Fact number 9, I am the oldest child of 2. My brother will be 19 on August the 2nd. So our birthdays are like a month apart. Y'all do the math. And then my 10th fact is I have a coffee addiction. I love coffee. I can't go through a day without having coffee. And I'm that weirdo that at 5 o'clock will have a cup of coffee just because I like coffee that much. So those are my 10 facts. If you all have any other questions about me, definitely let me know and I will see if there are questions I can actually answer. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely follow my social media pages. I will have them listed below in the description box. And I will see you in the next video.